So could you tell me a little bit more about your MSP, how many endpoints you manage, what verticals you work with, how many technicians you have, and things along those lines?
So we have 4 technicians that are actually on premise. Honestly, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get that down to maybe 1 or 2 technicians and utilize AI. So that's why we're so excited about your platform.
What is eating the biggest chunk of your revenue? Is it paying vendor costs or labor and technician costs?
Right now is labor. So it's labor and technician costs, which once, AI gets to the maturity level that we're thinking it can be, then, the AI should take care of level 1, maybe level 2, and then level 3 and boots on the ground is where your technician or labor costs would come into play.
Is there anything specifically about our RMM MDM solution that you like more, or you really like, or that stands out?
I do like the fact that I can go in there and tie, like I could utilize any AV or any third-party tool because it is open source that I want. So I do like that ability.
What feature or capability do you think will have the biggest impact on your day-to-day ops?
That AI feature that you guys have could be game-changing. Like it really could give an MSP an out-of-the-box tier 1, tier 2 technician replacement. Like I said, Atara is the only one that comes close to what you guys do. But with Atara, you still need that technician, to utilize the AI, where you guys, the AI can actually, be a standalone or be on its own.
What would make OpenFrame a no-brainer for yourself and for every MSP that you know?
Polishing Faye and Mingo and allowing for email, making it a true PSA. You do that, you'll have a corner on the market. And I'm telling you, I've used them all. So I can tell you the strengths and weaknesses of every one of them.